Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you how to make a delicious and spicy Thaaravu Mutta Kari. This is a popular dish from South Indian state of Kerala where duck eggs are cooked in a rich onion tomato based gravy with coconut oil and aromatic spices. It goes well with appam, porotta, rice or bread. Let's get started. First, we need to boil some eggs. We have here 4 eggs that we have boiled and peeled. We need to make some slits on these eggs so that the masala can seep into them. Just make 2 or 3 slits on each egg with a knife like this. Be careful not to cut the eggs too deep, and we will keep the egg aside and prepare the masala. To make the masala, heat some coconut oil in a kadhai over medium-high flame. Once the oil starts to heat up, add mustard seeds, add dry red chilies and let them crackle for a few seconds to infuse the oil with the flavor. Then add curry leaves and fry for a few more seconds. Now add chopped garlic, add chopped ginger and saute for a few seconds until fragrant. Then add sliced onions and fry until the onions take light golden brown color. This may take about 5 minutes. Stir occasionally and you can add some salt to help the onions cook faster. Once the onions are done, to elevate the flavor, add some hing and fry for few seconds. Next, add some sliced tomatoes and cook until they are soft and mushy. The juices from the tomatoes will take your gravy to the next level and give it its signature color. Now, for the dry masalas, add red chili powder, turmeric powder, and crushed black pepper and cook for 2 minutes. Add salt as per your preference and cook for another 5 minutes until the oil separates from the masala. At this stage, your masala is ready. Add some split green chilies and mix it in. Now, to adjust the consistency of your gravy, add a cup of water. Now, we will add the boiled eggs to the masala and coat them well with the gravy. Simmer the curry for another 5 minutes on low heat and let the water from the curry slowly evaporate. This will help the eggs take in all the flavors of the curry. Your Kerala style egg curry is ready to be served. Enjoy it with appam, porotta, rice or bread. It's a simple and easy dish that you can make for your breakfast, lunch or dinner. It is also a great dish to make when you have guests over. We hope you liked this. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such recipes. Thank you for watching and happy cooking!